Hello friends, welcome back JavaTCoding. My name is Sanjay Kumar and today I will talk about the latest version Java 14. Yes, the Java 14, how we can download and install on our Windows machine. So let's start. Go to the Chrome and search Java 14 download. Click on the first link. Go down, scroll down. So here is the Windows 64-bit JDK 14 exe. Just click on this link. I have already downloaded, so I will install. I will also drop a link in the description. So just double click on the JDK 14 0.0 Windows 64-bit bin. Just wait a second, it's installing. Click on the S. Installation will start in a few seconds. It's loading. Now its installation is preparing to install. Installation is starting. Here, this is the Java 14 setup. Click on the next button and here we can change the directory where you want to install. I am leaving as it is, C drive program file Java JDK 14. Click on the next button and now it's installing. It's in progress status. In a few seconds Java 14 will be set up on the Windows machine, Windows 10. So we can run the Java program on the Windows 14. It's the latest version of the Java. Many interesting features are introduced by Java in 14. So I will cover in the upcoming video. It's installing. In few seconds it will install. Just wait. Yeah, the JDK development kit 14.0.64-bit successfully installed. Just close. Check through the CMD whether it's installed successfully or not. Java version, it's not recognized. That means you need to set the environment variable path for Java. So go to the program file, go to the C drive, program files, Java. Here is the JDK 14. Click on the bin, copy this path and go to the environment variable. Environment variable, added this path. It's a Java 8 path. Delete this one and replace with the JDK 14. Okay. Now close this CMD and make sure all visits open. Fresh CMD. Now type Java version. Here as we can see, Java 14 has been installed successfully on 14th of April. Also we can check Java doc using the Java C. Yeah, wow, means Java 14 is installed successfully in my machine, Windows 10. So in the upcoming video I will show you how we can use the Java 14 features which is introduced by Oracle. So if you like this video, please comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.